Hello YouTube, I'll be unboxing my new massage chair, got at Amazon, YITAHOME, SL Track Zero Gravity Full Body Massage. Comes with a very large package and heavy as well, but very secure, and the product was not damaged inside. 110 kilograms, which is about 240 pounds. I'll be taking this inside and taking it out of the box and doing a quick a review of its functionalities, and later I will do a more in-depth review. So this massage chair, it has the SL double track system, which is actually the best you can find. It uses a 3D robotic arms and hands to emulate 6 different massage techniques. It covers a lot of the body. This particular unit here comes with 5 different airbags, as you can see in this picture here. It also have a heater function for your waist, which is very convenient while doing a massage to get you to a more relaxed stage. It has Bluetooth speakers. You can easily connect your mobile device and listen to your favorite song while you're doing so many different sets of massage. This is actually a zero gravity massage chair, and as you can see, it has three different levels: initial, comfort, and deep, with 126 degrees of movement. Only takes about 2 inches from the wall, a lot less than other chairs in the market, which is very inconvenient. It also has a nice function of extending the legs, so if you're tall, you're gonna fit very easily on this one. This is really an amazing chair, so I definitely recommend. I will be posting another video later doing a more in-depth review of the unit, how the controller works and all of that. But as of right now, the main intention here is to show what comes in the box, how the unit comes when you get it, and there you go. I'll leave you guys watching till the end. Thank you.